Bitpanda NFT platform app. The pros, the cons. The Bitpanda NFT platform app brings NFT buying, selling, and collecting to one of Europe's fastest growing crypto exchanges. Most people get this wrong by thinking Bitpanda only handles crypto and stocks, but the surprising truth is that it now supports NFT trading with full platform integration. On the pro side, the app allows users to manage NFTs directly from their Bitpanda wallet, simplifying funding and transactions. Security is top-notch, with multi-factor authentication and encrypted storage protecting assets. Users can access trending NFT collections, participate in exclusive drops, and track their portfolio within the app. The platform's user-friendly design makes NFT management simple for beginners and casual collectors. On the con side, Bitpanda's NFT marketplace has fewer offerings compared to dedicated NFT platforms. Advanced trading tools like analytics dashboards, auctions, or multi-chain support are limited. Fees may also add up for smaller transactions, which can discourage casual trading. In conclusion, the Bitpanda platform app is ideal for users who value simplicity, security, and direct integration with their crypto accounts. While it doesn't match the scale of major NFT marketplaces, it offers a safe and convenient environment for collectors looking to manage and grow their NFT portfolios efficiently.